Hey everybody, the last time we met we talked about solving equations that involved absolute value. So remember, absolute value meant the distance from 0. So whatever the distance was from 0 on the number line, that was the absolute value. And then we looked at an example on Edpuzzle last Friday. So your warm-up for today, it's something very similar. So I want you to go ahead and try to solve this problem. Now, what is the first step that I need to do? Okay, so after I have done that, I will subtract 6, I will subtract 6. I end up with the absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, now remember that there are two solutions when we are solving for absolute value, right? Because we have gone over examples. I'll do one over here really quickly. The absolute value of 3, positive 3, is 3, right? And then we also said the absolute value of negative 3, well, that's also 3. Okay, because remember we did a number line with something like this. We have 0 in the middle, and then we have negative 3 over here, positive 3 over here. All right, well, why am I telling you this? Well, because it should give you a little bit of a hint. All right, this is just an extra side note. All right, this should give you a hint on what to do for this problem over here. Now, take a look at your notes, and if you don't have them, we'll go through it in a second, but tell me what to do next. All right, so you should have said that we need to set up two equations. All right, we have two equations. Well, what equations are they? Let's talk about it for a second. It says that the absolute value of something is 4. So that means that I have something that's going to equal positive 4, something that's going to equal negative 4. So the absolute value is going to of x minus 2 is going to equal positive 4. The absolute value of x minus 2 is also going to equal negative 4. So I need to set up my equations. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. So let's set up our two equations so that way we get two solutions. All right, so x minus 2 is equal to positive 4, right? And so we have two solutions, and x minus 2 is equal to negative 4. All right, so my next question for you is, what is the answer here? Okay, my next question to you is, what is the solution here highlighted in pink? Okay, now what are my final answers?